तेलंगाना बीजेपी के रियासती सदर रामचंद्र राव ने कहा कि वज़ीर आला रेवंत रेड्डी बीसी रिजर्वेशन के नाम पर अवाम को धोखा दे रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि मरकजी हुकूमत बीसी रिजर्वेशन को ग्रीन सिग्नल देने के लिए तैयार है। इसका फायदा सिर्फ और सिर्फ बीसीज को ही मिलना चाहिए, मुसलमानों को नहीं। ऐसी सूरत में ही बीसी रिजर्वेशन को मंजूरी मिल सकती है। अगर हुकूमत बीसी रिजर्वेशन में मुसलमानों को 10% रिजर्वेशन देना चाहती है तो बीजेपी इस रिजर्वेशन के सख्त खिलाफ है।
Mr. Revanth Reddy yesterday at Jantar Mantar has made a statement that Mr. Modi is not going to give BC reservations in local bodies, and only if Rahul Gandhi comes, then only these reservations are possible. Mr. Revanth Reddy is giving a hint that he will wait till Rahul Gandhi becomes Prime Minister for giving OBC reservations. So that means it will never happen, because Rahul Gandhi will never become Prime Minister and this BC reservation will never be implemented. In fact, Mr. Revanth Reddy yesterday made a statement that he never said that 10% reservation for the Muslims, and there is no religious-based reservations in the bill. Then why he didn't respond to the Bharatiya Janata Party's queries or its objections till now? Why he is now coming forward and telling that it is not there? On the other hand, he says that Gujarat is giving Muslim reservations. On the other hand, he says that Rajasthan is giving reservations, that state is giving reservation, and now you say that you are not giving Muslim reservations. This is something the Congress party and the government has no clarity on reservations. The reservations which he is making is only a